we are having the 8th edition of the Aerospace and the Defense Symposium, which is a global event that Agilent conducts every year. And this is the largest conflagration of engineers and scientists in the aerospace and defense industry. And in India, we have it across 3 stops, starting in Bangalore, Hyderabad, and then we are now at the last leg in New Delhi. This is the largest conflagration of scientists and engineers, where they interact with Agilent experts about the latest trends, technologies, and the problems that engineers are facing in this industry, and how Agilent with its state-of-the-art products can help them to come out with solutions which are fast and quick and elegant in their jobs, and enable new technologies to be rolled out in a much faster time. This is the objective of the Aerospace and Defense Symposium that we conduct. Aerospace and defense market continues to be a growing market for Agilent in India, and we are committed to this industry.
Now you are starting the Keysight Technologies. What will be the impact to the industry?
As you are aware, in September last year, we made an announcement of breaking Agilent into 2 great companies. So the electronic measurement business of Agilent is going to, in the second half of this calendar year, is going to be known as Keysight Technologies, and we will start conducting business under the name of Keysight Technologies. The value that it will bring to the customers and the industry is that Keysight Technologies is going to be 100% focused on the electronics measurement business, and with that we believe that we'll be much more focused to solve our customer problems, to bring out products which they need, to bring out technologies in a much faster time to the benches of the labs where these engineers and designers do their work. So this is what we believe will be a huge advantage to the electronic measurement industry by Keysight's undiluted focus on this industry.
Can you share some of the latest activity in the communication area?
So in the communications area, there are a lot of new technologies being rolled out. We all know that LTE is getting rolled out. There is a lot of investment happening in the marketplace and in the industry. Either it is through the entire food chain of the communications industry. We have chipset vendors who are investing in LTE and LTE advanced chipsets. We have equipment vendors who are investing in products which will enable deployment of these next generation technologies. We have operators who are getting ready to roll out these next generation technologies, and also we have handset vendors who are working very hard to come up with products to enable these technologies that provide these next generation technologies.
Can you share some of your activity? You have done something for the communication industry.
The products that Agilent has, as shared with you earlier, we have a very broad range of products to cater to the test and measurement market, and communications continues to be one of our key focus areas in the test and measurement solutions. So we are working with the entire food chain and the entire ecosystem of the communications industry. What that means is that we work with designers who are in the chipset industry, who are developing chipsets for the next generation technologies in communication. We are also working with the equipment vendors. We are also working with the operators and the handset vendors. So the broad range of products that Agilent has and the latest state-of-the-art technologies that we work on, we work with the entire food chain of the communications industry to ensure that we are enabling these technologies to be deployed in record times.
Can you share some of your plans for this year, especially focusing on increasing the market share?
Well, the instrumentation, Agilent is growing at about 3 to 4 times the rate of the market growth rate, and we continue to work aggressively with our customers to give them solutions. And the 3 major areas that we will continue to focus on is the aerospace and defense segment, the communications industry, and the semiconductor or the industrial segment. And we are witnessing growth in all the 3 segments, and we are heavily engaged with customers in these 3 segments to ensure that we continue to grow with them. So we are right now in the 8th edition of the Aerospace and Defense Symposium that is happening in New Delhi today. Last year, during this symposium, we rolled out our distribution channel program, and we have been heavily successful in that program, and that has enabled us to grow. In the last 1 year, we signed up a lot of distribution channel partners which have helped us to grow our market share. This year, we are making another announcement to launch our solutions partner program. Now, this is slightly different from a distribution channel because these solution partners are companies who are going to work with Agilent to provide complete solutions to customers in the aerospace and defense segment. Now, these customers need solutions to their problems, which sometimes can be delivered through a single product, but many times you need a lot more than a single product or a bunch of products that Agilent has to complete the solution. And that's where we are signing up solution partners who would work with us to provide these solutions, be it a bunch of Agilent products, be it customized hardware and software that is needed to complete a solution and fix a problem at a customer space. So this is what we are making an announcement today, and we believe that in the years to come, this program will definitely help our customers, and it will also help Agilent to grow our market share in this industry.